Tonight I'm making naked burrito. That means no tortilla, but it has all the same fillings and it's delicious. And it's going to be in a bowl. All right, we're going to start with our ground beef. Okay, our ground beef is cooked. I'm going to get some of the grease. I'm also going to turn it down a little bit. I'm going to add my onion. All right, now I'm going to add garlic. I want to keep breaking up the ground beef, but it's up to you how big you want your pieces to be. All right. Now I'm going to add corn. You can use canned or frozen. These are frozen. I've got cheese. This is a mixture of Monterey Jack and cheddar. I've got a green pepper, but it doesn't matter. You can use red or orange. All right, next is salsa. I didn't make this, it's from a jar. But if you have your own salsa, go with that. Next I have cooked rice. But you could also use brown rice or white rice. Okay, next I'm adding beans. Mark picked pinto beans, but you could also do black beans. You've got a lot of choices. All right, while that's cooking, I'm adding cumin and chili powder. Now I'm going to finish it off with more cheese. Again, a mixture here. However you want to do it, however much you want to put on. You can always add more. Got some avocado. Maybe some sour cream in the middle. There we go. I've got some limes. If you want to add some lime on your bowl. Here's some tomatoes. These are just cherry tomatoes I had and I just chopped them up. Oops. There we go. Spread them out a little bit. Now I have cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, skip it. Or green onions would be good. Let me spread that out a little bit. That'll look much better. Oh, that's beautiful. All right. There we go. Now we're ready to try it. All right, now we're going to try the naked burrito. There you go. I gave you the limes.
Thank you.
Oh, you probably want some.
I'm going to go for some tomatoes.
Oh, okay. Well, wait a minute.
Let me serve myself. There we go. I get some tomatoes and some sour cream.
Yeah.
I get another piece of avocado.
Yep.
There we go.
And cheese. You can always add more of anything.
Your turn.
Okay. Thank you.
Get my lime here.
So this recipe sort of originated from a restaurant here local to us, and they have something on their menu called naked burrito. So there's no tortilla. Now, if you want to make it low carb, of course, you could take the rice out.
Here's a napkin for
Thank you. Totally, I forgot that. So it's up to you. There we go.
Looks good.
It does. Did I not? Oh, I didn't get an avocado.
No,
That was my mistake.
I
There
jumped
we
in
go.
on you.
Yum. If you can see this, hopefully.
Very nice. A little avocado.
It's not as ripe as I would like it, but that's what they have in the grocery store.
Full of flavor. Do you want some lime on yours?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
How is it with the lime?
Really good. It makes it bright.
Well, maybe I want a little bit of it. Just a little.
There's not much left in this
Okay.
one.
Okay. That's good. Yeah. Definitely good.
All right, let's dig in here. A little avocado.
I like this.
Very nice.
Everything's crunchy. It's fresh. You can change it up any way you want.
Bridgetta told me not to tell you how quick this was to make, because we always say that, but this actually was.
It was, but of course, again, I always prep ahead of time, so it's sort of unfair to tell you how fast it was. I mean, unless you're doing it too, and I find out now more just when I'm cooking for us. I sort of feel like I need to prep all my bowls and cups.
How much prep time was there? Hour and a half?
No.
2 hours?
No, I'd say 30 minutes maybe, because I like everything cut and ready to go, so nothing's burny on the bottom of the pan.
And you did run to the grocery store earlier.
Yeah, I did have to go to the grocery store. I didn't have everything I needed, so.
Well, nice job.
I'm very happy with this. I recommend this totally.
Naked burrito.
Naked
Give it a try.
burrito. Yep. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 2 videos a week. Recipes always in the description box. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good job, Bridgetta.